Hello, my name's Darren Holmes, and today I went onto the internet and I've installed my copy of Office 365. So you can see I've pinned Word and Excel to my desktop. Now the thing I want you to note is if I come down here, you'll see I'm not connected. So I'm not connected to the internet at the moment. So when I restarted my computer, you can see I've got a new icon on my desktop called Microsoft Teams. And it says here, welcome to Microsoft Teams. Teams was installed with Office. So you can start chatting and collaborating with your co-workers today. So when I click on Continue, it needs our school address to sign in. So once I've entered my college email address, I'm going to click on Next. And because I'm now at home, it says we couldn't connect to the internet. So we're going to have to try again later. I was really trying to get a hold of Word because I like to use Word. So you can see up here, I'm actually logged into it. So that's my email address at St. Clair College. So now I can get a blank document and I can type things in there. Same thing with Excel. And once again with Excel, I'm logged in with my college email address. So before I show you how to install Word and Excel, I just want to come down here to Windows Explorer, and I'm going to go to my C drive, and on my C drive I'm going to go to Program Files. So earlier I showed you how to install LibreOffice. So if you do a right click on LibreOffice and click on Properties, you can see LibreOffice installed as 617 megabytes on your hard drive. So coming down to Microsoft Office, if I do a right click on Microsoft Office and look at Properties, you can see the size on the disk is 3.2 gigabytes. So Microsoft Office is considerably larger than LibreOffice. So I just wanted to show you that before you went ahead and tried to install it on something like a tablet of some type that has limited RAM available to you. So today I want to show you what I had to do to go and install those, where to find it, and approximately how long it takes to install. So I'm going to start by bringing up my favorite web browser, which happens to be Firefox. So before I show you where on the college website to download this from, I just wanted to bring you to the Microsoft website. You'll notice Office 365 is being renamed as Microsoft 365. So they actually have three editions here. If you buy the Office Home and Student Edition, and that's usually sold at Staples, places like that, you can see it's $119. That's US. It only includes Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, but that's a one-time fee. So if you pay that fee, you load it on your computer, you get to keep Office Home and Student 2019 for the rest of your life. Whereas with the Microsoft 365 products, so we have the family product or the personal product. So personal is just one computer. You'll notice you have access to a lot more of the Microsoft programs and services. But you're paying $79.99 per year or $7.99 per month. There is a free try for 1 month. That works out to about $109 Canadian. So continue on the Microsoft website, there's an Office 365 Education Edition, and we can get started for free. So students and educators at eligible institutions, such as St. Clair College, can sign up for Office 365 Education for free. And this includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, OneNote, and Microsoft Teams. Now you have to use your valid school email address to get started today, and the software will check every so often to make sure that address is valid. So I want to show you where to find all this on St. Clair College's website now.
Okay, so today I want to show you where to get Microsoft Office from your college website. So you can see I'm here at St. Clair College. So you're going to have to go to My St. Clair, and you're going to need to have to log in with your username and password. So just sign in there. So once the college web page finishes loading, what we're going to be doing is going down to where it says Office 365. So we're going to click on there. And then we want to come up here to where it says Install Office. So we're going to click on that. We're coming down here and we're looking for Other Install Options. So then we're going to come here and we're going to do Offline Apps and Devices, and we want to do an Install Office. So we need to save this file. It's only 5.3 megabytes. So that's going to save to our download directory. So what we have to do now is we have to run that file. We're going to say yes to installing. And then we have to stay online while it does the download of Office. So it's going to take a while. It's somewhere around 3 gigabytes in size. So when you go to your downloads directory, you can see the setup file is here. So what we're going to do is just double click on it. So you're going to get the user account control come up, and it says, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? It says Microsoft Office Verified Publisher, so just click on yes. And you can see it says Office, we're getting things ready. So I'm just going to close down my downloads directory, and I'm just going to minimize my Firefox. So you can see it's just sitting here saying Office, we're getting things ready. So this is going to take quite a while. So you can see here it says Office is installing in the background. Right now I'm at 2%. It says please don't go offline or restart your computer. So we're just going to sit here and wait. So that took about 20 minutes on the college Wi-Fi. So right now it says you're all set. Office is installed now. Click Start to view your apps. So I'm just going to click on this close box here. Then I'm going to come over to the bottom left-hand corner and click on my Start button. And you can see here I have recently added Word, PowerPoint, and Outlook. So I'm going to expand that. You can see I've got Publisher, Access, and Excel. I like to put these on my desktop, so I'm just going to left click on Word, drag that over to my desktop. And then the other one I always like to use is Excel, so I'm going to left click on that and drag it to my desktop. So now I can reposition these two on my desktop. So I'm going to go in and start Word. And I'm going to select a new blank document. So you can see Word is loaded up on my machine. I'm going to minimize Word, double click on Excel, and it now needs me to confirm my account. So I'm going to click on Next. And you can see here it says this account doesn't have Office yet. So I'm going to have to click on Use a different account. So I have to sign in to set up Office. So sign in with your work, school, or personal Microsoft account. So I'm going to say sign in. Now it wants me to activate Office, so I'm going to use my work account or my college account. So I'm going to click on Next. Now it wants me to sign in to St. Clair College. Windows will remember your account and make it easier to sign in to the apps and websites. Okay, I really don't want to allow my organization to manage my device though. So this app only. So we have to accept the license. This is for Microsoft Office 365. So I'm just going to say accept. And now I can go in and get my blank worksheet. So I'm going to close Excel. And I still have Word open here. Once again, it wants me to confirm my account for Word. So I'm going to click on here, use different account. And I'm going to click on sign in. And it's my college email account, so I have to type that in again. And click on next and sign in. So now I'm going to close my Word document. So now I'm going to start up Word again. And go for a blank document. And I'm going to check Excel.